we have this cave. It has like a little backyard, and it has stairs and like a palm tree, and it has a bed. See? Let's look at the cool stuff inside.
So guys, this is Polly Pocket. This is one of their campsites. Isn't it so cool? So look at all the little toys that came with it. You get 2 little girls. Isn't it awesome? And so all the camping supplies, the fire. They even have a little cute llama. All the cute little toys. So here they have a stage, and you can put the girls on a stage. And you can turn it. And then, Paisley, what else?
You can open this up, and there's a little music room.
Cool. Close it and let's see that again. Awesome.
Now, up here is a bed for them to sleep.
Man,
it has a little llama in
that
there.
is so cute.